Most people wait to feel ready before they start. That's why they stay stuck. Instead, try this. Pick one tiny 10-minute action you can do today, not tomorrow, not next month, today. Send that email, outline that book, watch one training. Momentum doesn't come from motivation. It comes from movement. If you want help turning small actions into real progress, the Start Now, Not Later digital kits walk you step by step so you stop stalling and finally move. Ready to stop waiting for someday? Grab the Start Now, Not Later kit and take your first 10 minutes today.